Welcome back to JBHM Kolkata. So today we are here again with another podcast session, and today again we are in Surat Marriott Hotel. It is Mr. Ravi Kaushik sir. Welcome sir, our L&D manager, cluster L&D manager. So we'll have a lot of talk about hospitality, of learning, development, HR, and definitely some important topics which can give you an idea about how you have to make yourself ready for the future industry. So, sir, welcome to our channel. I'm very much privileged that from your hotel, we already have a podcast session with the front office manager, housekeeping manager. Now it's you. So, tell me about yourself first, your career journey. How did you started yourself?
Okay. Namaste. First of all, I would like to thank you and the team of JBIHM for giving me this opportunity to express my ideas and interact with the thousands of students through this podcast. So talking about my journey, my name is Ravi Kaushik, and I have started my professional journey from my studies at IHM Lucknow. And the seeds of the hospitality were being given to me from the IHM Lucknow. After passing out from the IHM, I joined JP Green's Golf and Spa Resort, Greater Noida, as a pre-opening team member. Then I worked with ISCL's Hotel Leela Ventures and the Trident Group. And currently I'm working with Surat Marriott Hotel and Courtyard by Marriott Surat as Cluster Learning and Development Manager. Prior to this, I worked with Leisure Hotels based out of Rishikesh and Haridwar. So that's a brief about me. And apart from this, my hobby is reading, writing, and I have recently developed one hobby that I love to run. Now, recently I have completed my first half marathon in Vadodara. That's a brief about me.
Thank you so much, sir. So your journey has started with L&D itself after completing your hotel management?
No, from the very beginning, I was interested in F&B service, and I have worked in F&B service for almost 3 years, and then I worked in sales. So my area of interest was F&B service, and still I'm a bit partial towards F&B service.
Okay. So why this move, sir? What is, in your opinion, you have shifted yourself from operation to learning and development?
Okay. Talking about my move from operations, because after spending a considerable number of years into the operations and sales, then I thought that now it's the right time to groom the future leaders. So that's forced me from inside to join the learning and development.
सर, ये जो होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स है, अभी जैसे हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट, होटल मैनेजमेंट, तो स्टूडेंट के लिए ये एक नया करियर ऑप्शन है जो कि ना उनको बहुत ही एक अच्छा ग्रोथ दे सकता है उनके करियर में विद इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर. तो आपके हिसाब से जनरल मैनेजमेंट से होटल मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट को खुद को डेवलप करने के लिए क्या क्या चीज करना पड़ेगा आपके स्टूडेंट लाइफ से ही?
ओके. जो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा. जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी एजुकेशन है, ये सिर्फ फूड, बेवरेज, culinary, हाउसकीपिंग और फ्रंट ऑफिस तक ही लिमिटेड नहीं है. दिस इज द कोर्स विच एक्चुअली ग्रूम्स a student from a student to a professional, and these students of IHMs or any hospitality school are in good demand. Many of my colleagues are in banks. Many of my colleagues are working in the PSUs. Many of my colleagues are working in the good other sectors, like they are working in ONGC, they are working in any brand, you name it, they will be there. So because they are into this sector, not only because of the knowledge they have gotten, but the personality they have developed, the leadership qualities they have developed. So ये जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको कॉलेजेस में लीडरशिप, टीम वर्क एंड आई थिंक राइट एटीट्यूड जो बनाया जाता है वो शायद किसी और कोर्स से बहुत ज्यादा है हॉस्पिटैलिटी एजुकेशन में.
सर, ये एटीट्यूड आप अगर बोलते हैं तो आप पर्टिकुलरली कौन से चीज को बोलना चाह रहे हैं? कैसे उनको सोचना पड़ेगा?
अगर मैं एटीट्यूड के बारे में बात करता हूं, तो मैं एटीट्यूड में हम लोग जो देखते हैं वो है उसका ग्रोथ माइंडसेट। क्या वो उस सीखना चाहता है? अगर उसका सीखने का जज्बा है तो वो कुछ भी कर सकता है। सो ये है एटीट्यूड। और एटीट्यूड में एक या दो चीज नहीं, बहुत सारी चीजों का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है। कैसे, हाउ ही बिहेव्स विद द juniors, how he behaves with the seniors, how he spend his leisure time. So that's also gives such an idea कि वो कैसा उसका एटीट्यूड है स्टूडेंट का।
लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट जो आपका डिपार्टमेंट है, यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग, ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग और एसोसिएट लेवल का इंटरव्यूज तो आप लेते होंगे। तो इंटरव्यू के टाइम में क्या क्या चीज आप लोग देखते हैं एक फ्रेशर के लिए?
देखिए, जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हम लोग बेसिकली 3 चीजों पर जनरली जज करते हैं किसी भी स्टूडेंट को: नॉलेज, स्किल्स एंड एटीट्यूड। एंड आवर टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी इज ऑफ द एटीट्यूड दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में। देन द नॉलेज वी चेक, एंड इफ इट्स पॉसिबल फॉर culinary it's mandatory to check the skills of the student.
Okay. So,
And our main focus is on basics of the of a particular department. If a student is joining front office, then we try to understand whether he understands the different sections, उनके क्या रोल होते हैं, क्या ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती हैं, या वो जिस जगह अप्लाई कर रहा है क्या वो उसके बारे में जानता है। अगर वो मेरिट में अप्लाई कर रहा है, क्या वो मेरिट के बारे में जानता है। तो हम लोग उसको चेक करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि बाकी चीजें, बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो दी लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर, बाकी चीजें हम लोग एक शेड्यूल प्लान के थ्रू से सिखा सकते हैं। बट जो उसको सीखना है, उसका जो सीखने का एटीट्यूड है और उसके बेसिक्स, बिकॉज हम लोग ए से स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते। यस, इफ अ स्टूडेंट हैज कवर्ड ए, वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बी, बट वी नीड समथिंग इन हिम।
ऐसा कुछ अगर आप शेयर करते हैं, जैसे आपके होटल में आप ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं एम्प्लॉइज को डेवलप करने के लिए, कुछ ऐसा चीज जो आपने देखा है डेवलप हुआ है एक एम्प्लॉय के अंदर, ऐसा कुछ ट्रेनिंग प्रोसीजर्स?
ओके, मैं एक स्टूडेंट का एक एग्जांपल लूंगा, अजय। वो उसने हमारे साथ ही अपनी इंटर्नशिप पूरी की अभी कुछ महीने, आई थिंक जनवरी में। एंड जब वो इंटर्नशिप पे हमारे साथ आया तो वो इतना से इन किचन स्किल में, F&B स्किल में और इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स में उतना अच्छा नहीं था। बट जब उसने हमारे साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया 6 मंथ, तब हमें आइडिया लग गया कि ये लड़का बहुत अच्छा कर सकता है, एंड हमने उसको अप्रेंटिसशिप ऑफर की, एंड आज वो हमारे साथ अप्रेंटिसशिप कर रहा है। सो इफ अ कैंडिडेट इज हैविंग राइट एटीट्यूड, अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस अगेन एंड अगेन, if a candidate is having right attitude, I think there is a lot of opportunities for him or her in the sector, and hopefully he would be absorbed in the future as a commie.
Okay. So this is also a very good thing that we have come to know that during your industrial training, if a student performs good, then he can be absorbed as a apprenticeship, then an associate. Means he at end of the day he is getting a job offer during the internship time only, right, sir? So this is
Right.
another wonderful sides of a hospitality career, that you are getting a job offered from your internship.
So this is, Ajay was the one example. We have multiple examples of many students, especially who have trained under me, that almost every student we offer one thing or the other. Either we offer him or her job, either we offer him OJT, either we offer him or her apprenticeship. But we make sure every student who is doing internship with us got something at the end. We give them the ample opportunities to learn. For example, one of the initiatives that I have started is the master class, and last we did a master class for the interpersonal skills. We have done the master class for MS Excel. We have done the master class for LinkedIn, and next this week on Saturday we are doing the master class for catering sales. So if a student is interested to understand what is catering sales, how I can enter that sector, so we are doing a master class. So that's how the students got evolved.
Anyone can join, means any of the student can join, like
That's actually a live session, but not on the YouTube. That's in our in-house.
No, in your hotel, any
In your hotel, yes. And any student can join.
Okay. And the employees are also getting accustomed with this master class.
Yes, employees can also join, but like our LinkedIn masterclass was very successful, and our executives and senior managers also joined that class.
Okay, wonderful. So master class is basically you are training them something out of the conventions of the department,
Yes.
right? Something extra.
Yes.
You are taking care.
Something extra, because generally on the floor they are learning, but we know what skills are being required to grow in the hospitality, so we have a set number of master classes that we do.
Wonderful. So it is a very good initiative taken by Surat Marriott Hotel, that you are taking an extra effort for the development of the students and the employee. Very good, sir. Sir, coming back to your career once again. So since you are in this industry from such a long years, so what is your career planning? Now you want to keep yourself in this same sector?
Yes, I will be into the hospitality, and I have also completed my masters from Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. And my next move would be definitely to from L&D, and L&D is my core, and I will be always passionate about learning and development. I will keep on taking sessions, and definitely my next move would be HR manager or somewhere in corporate.
ओके सर, आपके हॉस्पिटैलिटी करियर में अगर आपको कोई ऑप्शन दिया जाए कि आप चेंज करना चाहते हैं कुछ आपके करियर में, तो ऐसा क्या चीज होगा जो आप चेंज करना चाहते हैं?
Okay, one thing in hospitality that I would like to change, the food and beverage offerings that we get in our cafeterias is too good that most of the time we eat a lot, and that's the reason we get so healthy. So we want lot of calories and the food is too good. So that's the one thing that I wish I could change and add more healthy options. Yes.
Okay. So you're talking about the employee cafeteria?
Yes, employee cafeteria. I am lucky enough to work in various brands, and every hotel I found the food was very delicious and very good. So that's one thing, and because it's too good that we eat a lot sometimes. So that thing, I think that we can make more healthy options. It's too good. We can add.